Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to use Notion templates to create project timelines in 2025. The fastest way is to grab a project management or timeline template from Notion Gallery or community. These templates usually come with properties, task name, owner, start date and end date, and even statue, so you don't have even to build the structure yourself. Once the template is in your workspace, customize it to fit your project, add milestones, assign responsibilities, and include dependencies so everyone knows what's need to be done. First, you can also embed notes, files, or links inside each task for a quick context. For a better alignment, link your project timeline with other Notion database like goals dashboards or content like calendars or task trackers. This keeps everything connected so the team don't lose sight of the deadlines. Finally, share the timeline with your team so the updates are instantly visible so you keep everyone on the same page without endless meetings. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.